They're gone.
He'll do it.
You look like you're talking into a piece of toast. The note is an unwieldy beast.
Hiccup.
Now it's not being dismissed by competitors. It's being imitated. Thing is, the note is more than big. It's about being more productive. Wait for it. I like that.
Hi.
More innovative. Oh, cool. More fun. Today, people are saying, is it just me or does the new iPhone 6 look like a Samsung Galaxy?
Look at those pretty eyes.
2012? It's, Apple thinks their phablet is a fresh idea when Samsung Mobile has been excelling at them for years already. Hashtag next big thing. The new Samsung Galaxy Note 4. The next big thing is here.
Want me to mute it?